Today, I'm making something truly magical. Something that looks like it came straight out of a fairy tale sky. This is my magical unicorn toast. Colorful, fluffy, dreamy, and honestly one of the happiest breakfasts you can ever make. Let's start with the base. I'm using brioche or milk bread because they're soft, buttery, and perfect for soaking up flavor. I toast the bread gently in a little butter, not too much, just enough to give it that golden glow and a warm, comforting aroma. As it toasts, the edges get crisp, the center stays soft, and it already smells like a treat. Now let's create the magic colors. In a bowl, I take smooth cream cheese and add a splash of maple syrup. This gives it a light sweetness that pairs beautifully with the toppings. I mix it until it's silky, then divide it into 3 small bowls. This is where the fun begins. I add 3 different colors. You can choose anything you love: pastel pink, sky blue, lavender purple, sunshine yellow. Go with the colors that make you smile. Mix each bowl gently until the colors turn soft and dreamy. All the colorful bowls are already looking so beautiful. And just imagine how magical they'll look once they swirl onto the top of the toast. Next, we're making the citrus cloud, the fluffy, bright topping. I take thick Greek yogurt, add a little sugar, and grate in fresh orange zest. Mix it until it becomes light, airy, and slightly whipped. This is going to sit on top like a snowy cloud drifting across a rainbow sky. Now it's time to build the unicorn sky. I take the warm toast and start swirling the colorful cream cheese across the surface. Don't worry about making it perfect. The beauty of this toast is in the soft, blended swirls. It should look like a magical sunrise or a cotton candy cloud floating in the sky. Once the colors are spread, I add a generous spoonful of the citrus cloud yogurt right on top. The contrast of the bright colors and the white cloud makes it look so dreamy. Now for the sparkle. I sprinkle a mix of crunchy seeds, a little more orange zest. This adds texture, flavor, and that little bit of crunch that makes every bite exciting. And finally, the floating fruits. Place them gently so they look like they're floating on the cloud. It's playful, it's beautiful, and it brings the whole toast to life. And just like that, your magical unicorn toast is ready. It's colorful, fluffy, citrusy, crunchy, and so much fun to make. Perfect for kids, perfect for guests, and honestly perfect for anyone who needs a little magic in their day. Try it once, and I promise, this toast will brighten your whole morning. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.